Desert State Overland. Today we're doing a video about some taillights. As you may see behind here, I broke my taillight, and it's very sad because it cost me lots of money to buy these new taillights, but it's okay because this is content for you guys, and I think it'll be good. These look pretty cool. They are a TRD PRO style. They're made by DEPO, and they should be pretty cool. They come with bulbs and everything like that. But why don't I show you what's inside the box, and we'll get right to it. Alright, so here's what's inside the box. Obviously, you got the box. Open it up, and here's the tail light. And some nice packaging. Really sturdy box, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Pretty high quality. Alright, so for my unique situation, I have to cut all these ropes that I've, used a lot of redneck ingenuity to make and secure this headlight or tail light, and take off the tape. So I'll do that now. Okay. So as you can see, my taillight's just like these little arms. It just completely, broke on both sides. It's kind of weird. I was driving down a dirt road and it happened, just popped off. So we'll get installing this now. Always make sure to take off the negative side of the battery whenever you're working with electronics. So let's take the bulbs out now. And we'll hang those carefully. Next, we're going to put in the new tail light. It does come with new bulbs, which I guess I'll probably use. So next we need to put the plugs into the tail light. Alright, so we got this JDM ASTAR LED bulb that we're going to put in the reverse so that we can get some better lighting when we're backing up. Fit the tail light into the body. You put it in the two side panels, kind of push it into place. Alright, next we're going to put the bolts into the taillight, and we'll tighten this 10mm bolt. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. One thing that I just gotta say is that I am really impressed with these taillights. They look really good, but only time will tell how durable and how good of a tail light they actually are. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but these LEDs are really bright. I'm really impressed with these. They are so bright you can't even look at them. The thing that's very impressive about these is there is no flickering.